Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget,
Follow your every dream. Make step to be the queen. Share passion with the team. Start your dream at Sweet House. Oh, Sweet House, Sweet House. Sweet House. Oh, Sweet House, Sweet House.
Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala, I'm Mich, and for today, I will be sharing some Christmas negosyo na cake, okay? So, it's a fluffy chiffon cake for Christmas na madali nyo ibenta, no frosting needed, just the chiffon, the classic chiffon, yung may butas sa gitna, like this. Okay? So, let's start for your business this Christmas. For the ingredients, I have some cake flour, egg yolks, salt, baking powder. I have two flavoring here. I have pandan for the green and strawberry for the pink one, granulated sugar, water, egg whites, another sugar, and cream of tartar. So, alam kong nagawa ko na to dati for the chiffon recipe, but this time, I'll teach you kung paano siya negosyo na mas mura siya ibenta. Okay, for Christmas season. So, let's start. In your bowl, mix in your cake flour, baking powder, salt, and your sugar. Yeah, this is sifted already, okay? So, if nakalimutan nyo yung sift, then sift here at least twice para alam nyo walang buo-buo si cake flour. And then make a well at the center. Put your water, your oil, and your yolks. Yan. Just mix this one and then set aside natin. Since we have two flavors, later mo na ilagay yung flavor. If isang flavor lang, pwede nyo na ilagay now. Okay? Set aside this one after mixing. And then here, sa mixer nyo, you put your egg white and your cream of tartar. So, this will make your egg white more stable. Yan. And then whip this one until frothy. Tapos you add your sugar. Isaksak natin. Para gumana. Yan. And then, slowly add your granulated sugar. Then whip this one until stiff. Okay? But do not over whip it. So, this is stiff already. Okay? So, kailangan ganyan ha. Para at least, tamang-tama yung laki ng chiffon nyo. Okay? And then, guys, number one tip, kailangan fine yung granulated sugar. Okay? You can use caster sugar. But, if you don't have caster sugar, pwede nyo naman i-food process or i-blender yung table sugar nyo para pumino siya. The finer the sugar, the better the meringue. Yan. Then, fold natin si meringue sa egg yolk mixture. So, you cut sa center and then fold sa side. Yan. And then, since we will be putting flavor, divide natin siya into two. And then, let's put the flavor. Okay? So, this is the pandan. And the other one, parang konti yan, dagdagan ko. So, after mixing or after folding your meringue, Bake natin to around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? Kailangan medyo mainit. Because we want our chiffon na tubong-tubo. If wala kayong ganito, like chiffon pan, it's okay, you can still sell, pero 8-inch na baking pan ang gamitin. So, bake this one around 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, let's bake. Yan, there you go, our chiffon cake na pambenta this Christmas. Okay, so total cost of this is around 80 to 95 pesos. So you can sell this one 200, di ba? Sulit na for Christmas. Again, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking! Merry Christmas!